Hey everybody, Eric Clark and Ryan Klund with SWICKtech. We're here to do a quick demonstration on how to share an audio file or audio from a video within Teams, a Teams meeting or a Teams webinar. Pretty simple, but if you miss a step, you're not going to be able to do it. So we're really excited to share this feature with you and show you how to do it. So it's very easy. When you click share for share your screen, pick the screen that you want to share. But before you do that, you're going to notice right here in the upper left, it says include system audio. Be sure you click that first and then find the screen that you want. Share that screen. Once you do that, you can play that video or whatever it is.
And a marketer and a salesperson are fundamentally different with the same objective.
Now Ryan can hear the audio from the video. So we can watch this together, hear it together, and it works great. So that's our quick tip or how-to for today. Thanks for watching and enjoy.